everyone. I'm here at Wellen Park. I'm at the Everly community. This is a community that has 4 custom builders, and today I'm at the Palm Bay 2 model. This is a model by Neal Signature Homes that I'd like to walk you through. This home, the base price is $868,990, and it does have 3 beds, 3 bathrooms, and a bonus room. And this model also has something known as a Casita, which could be like your multi-generational type of situation where it could be an in-law suite or a guest suite additional with it. This home does have quite a few upgrades. If you were to purchase a home like this, all in, it's about 1.8 to 2.2 million with all the beautiful upgrades. The amenities in this community are wonderful. I'd like to walk you through those as well. So let's take a look at this home, and we can then go through the amenities as well after we're done. hope you enjoyed this tour of the Palm Bay 2, this model by Neal Signature Home. Again, this home has a lot of beautiful upgrades. So if this is something that you're interested in and you'd like to build your own custom pool or your own custom home on water with a pool and spa and have something as beautiful as this, contact me, Teresa Savini with Better Homes and Gardens, Atchley Properties.